Hello guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Security Center. Now, what we're going to discuss about the Security Center is that it is a central hub for AWS security related information, including compliance report, data protection guides, and security bulletins. Now, how it helps is basically provides you resources, documentation on data protection, incident reports, and achieving compliance with industry standards such as PCI, HIPAA, and GDPR. Now let's get to the hands-on part of this particular center. Now this is again not part of your existing services. It's going to be outside of the services, which is something you can Google, or you can type aws.amazon.com/security. Now the name, the security center, has changed to AWS Cloud Security. So that's basically what it is. Now, all the features which we spoke about is all the same. So you can see the strategic security over here on identifying prevention. Identify, prevent, detect, respond, remediate. So these are some of the options which you have over here in terms of working with them. Now, you can also see, I'm sorry about the background noise. So you can see over here that you have multiple security services over here, which talks about the different security free AWS Cloud Security trial, which you can click on, which will actually get to the trial version. But I don't know, the URL is not working for some reason. So ignore that. So you can actually see other options over here in terms of identifying security compliance. I'm just trying to open this URL again, but it seems like it's not working. So you can see that you have the identity access management as part of it, Amazon Cognito, Identity Center, Directory Service. So other applications which is part of your security and identity compliance services all over here. Now you can also see the featured solution on AWS, and you can see the applications which we sometimes, some applications are something which we have already seen, like WAF and how AWS automated response for your security and stuff like that. You can also see the customers over here who's been using AWS security. And you can also see the compliance over here, which talks about the compliance audits over here. So you can actually take a course to understand about these compliance requirements. And you can also go about data protection over here to understand about the data protection. And you have also got a blog over here which tells you how to, how to work with some of the complicated items over here. As you can see, that latest blog is about implementing relation-based access control with Amazon verified permission and Neptune. So likewise, you have a lot of articles which will actually help you step by step towards working towards your goal. So now when you click on the article, you can actually see the complete information, how it's going to help you, some architecture diagrams, as well as some of the action item over here, which is going to be part of that particular blog. So likewise, you have blogs, and you can actually see the partners over here, and you can also see additional resources. So this is your security center. Now, I want to cover one more item, which is going to be the security blog over here, which is the same thing which we just saw just now about the AWS security blog, which is a real world situation where AWS employees would be writing the blogs towards solutions and the architecture of that. You can also see the related products, learning level of these blogs, and the post type has a segregation over here. So we have covered two items over here. One is the AWS Security Center overview. We've also covered AWS Security blog as well. The questions would be, coming in over here in terms of they'll be asking you, how do you collect the latest information about the AWS security? So this could be one of the options which you will see. Security Center, Security blog is where you collect the latest information about security in terms of compliance, data protection, and then you have other resources as well, like security best practices, security bulletins. Likewise, you have all those options over here on the AWS Cloud Security, which is called as Security Center. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.